So we're heading over to a rec center that has had the digital signs installed, Oak Bay Rec Center, and what they didn't know was that their wireless internet does not reach all the way to the front counter where they've put a monitor up on the wall and a digital sign behind it. So what I want to talk about briefly is how you manually update a digital sign. The steps are as follows. One is you go to the storyboard that you have worked on inside Blast Visual, and you click on a button that says Zip. Once you click on that button, it's going to download the entire storyboard onto your computer as one file. And here's the thing, that file is going to be named, whatever your storyboard is, .zip. What you need to do is take that zip file, drop it onto a USB key, which is one of those little memory USB things that you can plug into your computer. You just plug in the USB key, drag that .zip file onto the USB, making sure that there's no other zip files on that little USB key. Now, very important, once you have moved the file onto the USB key, you must rename the file. Very specific. It needs to be sign, so all in lowercase, SIGN, _HTML.zip. Why this is named this way is because when you eject that USB key from your computer and you go over to the sign, when you plug it into one of the USB ports on the sign, it knows always to look for that file. So what the sign box is going to do once you have put the USB key into the sign box is it's going to look for sign _HTML.zip. It's going to take that file and it's going to copy it into the sign box. Now you're going to get a message in about 5 to 10 seconds after you put the USB key in that is going to say, it is now safe to remove the USB key from the digital sign. All you have to then do is unplug it. It usually takes about 5 or 10 more seconds for your storyboard to show up on the digital sign, and that's it, you're done. So that is how you manually update a digital sign when you have no internet connection at all. And that's our quick video blog. So, to recap, we're here on location at a digital sign at Oak Bay Rec Center that they're going to get internet to the unit, but right now there's no wireless signal down here behind reception. So what they see when they first load the unit up is our error console. It actually tells that the unit is disconnected. It's not connecting to any internet at all. So what have we done? We've taken a sign _HTML.zip by renaming one of the storyboards in Blast Visual. We put it on a CF card. Now watch what happens on the screen here. All I've done is I've plugged the USB key into an open USB port on the sign box. Give it about 10 seconds to download all the data. And there we go, the new data is showing up on the screen. It now says it is safe to remove your USB drive. Take the USB key out of the sign box, and that's it, you're done.